In this video, we're going to talk about how to change and clean your reusable period pads. Again, the same as disposables, you'll need to remove it from your underwear. So what you'll need to do is undo the poppers from underneath your underwear, unpopper it, and then depending where you are will depend on what we're going to do next. So if you're at home in a bathroom like I am here, what you'll be able to do is you could rinse the pad straight away in the sink. Then you could pop it in the wash basket and put it straight in the washing machine ready to wash. If you're out and about, you might want to have a wet bag with you, just like this one. So this is great because it keeps the moisture inside, or you could just have a general bag just to keep the pads inside to carry home. So what you can do with the reusable pad is to wrap it up, and you can use the poppers to pop it together, and then place it in the bag to carry home and deal with when you're at home. When you get home, you can take the pads out of your wet bag, unpopper them, and then you can give them a rinse in a sink once you're home. A tip for cleaning is to use cold water when you're rinsing them out. Hot water can actually damage the material, so we want to make sure that your pads last for as long as possible. Your reusable period pads can go straight in the wash with the rest of your washing. Because you've rinsed them, you've got rid of most of the blood, so it can go in with all the rest of your washing. When you're washing, don't use fabric softener. The fabric softener can affect the absorbency of the pad. If you do want something which acts like a fabric softener, you can use white vinegar and it acts in the same way. You can wash on 30 or 40 degrees. There is no need to use a hot wash when you're washing your reusable period pads. There is always the option to hand wash your pads as well, if you had some powder or liquid detergent which you can dissolve in the sink, and then you can wash the pads in the sink. When you get your pads out of the wash, what you should do is to give the pad a little tug on the outside just to stretch it back out into shape. Once you've done that, you need to air dry them. It's not advisable to tumble dry them because again, this can affect the absorbency of the pad. One thing I use is something called a socktopus, which you can put your socks on and you clip them on and they can just hang from the peg on there. Or you can hang them on the line as you would normally, or on an airer.